Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video we're showing you guys how to create this grunge split screen effect to help improve your edit. We just don't know what to add. Starting off, I already have my 3 clips imported, so it's going to go ahead and be this clip and this clip as well. So I'm going to go ahead and fix our scale effect. Starting off, I'm going to go here, go to our new, and go to solid, click OK, and make sure solid is under all 3 of our clips right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to each video right here, and I'm going to scale it down and put it on our actual positions we want. So I'm going to scale this clip and this clip as well. And I'm going to scale this one as well. So I'm going to scale them down just for now, just to see what I'm working with. So I'm going to go ahead and use this effect. Put it right here on the top left. Maybe increase it a good amount right here. Head right here in the corner. I'm going to take this effect. Increase it. Put it right here. Then for this actual effect, I'm going to go ahead and scale this up a good amount. So maybe around right here. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead to each of our clips. And we're going to go ahead and add a motion tile effect. We're going to go here to our output height. And we're just going to mess around with our clip. So maybe around right here. So yeah, this looks really nice. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add the roughen edges effect. I'm going to go ahead and add this on each of our clips. So I'm going to drag it in right here. Put our edge type on cut. I'm actually going to get rid of the edge roughen edges right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it to each of our clips. So I'm going to go ahead right here, go to fractal influence, do that for each of our clips. Turn it off. Go to our edge sharpness and we're going to put it on 10 for each of our clips. Just go ahead and put it on 10. And we're going to go ahead and increase our border right here. So you can see right here how our clip is actually getting this nice border effect. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to each and single clip we have right here. We're just going to go ahead and add this nice rounded corners effect. So yeah, once after we actually add the rounded corners effects to all of our videos, once after that, I'm going to go to our solid right here, duplicate it, and we're going to click our mask tool, and we're going to make a circle mask right here. Then once after that, I'm going to go ahead and add our fill effect. And since it's white, we're just going to go ahead and make it black. So our actual video right here, if we don't have the fill effect, it's just going to be white since our actual solid is white. So we're just going to go ahead and add a fill effect. I recommend either using black or red. But I think black for just this actual background helps it mix well together. So I'm going to go ahead and add our shapes. Once you add your shapes, go to our mask. Go to our settings of our mask and just increase our feather. So once after that, I'm going to duplicate the solid once again. Get rid of our mask. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a start effect. Put it, I think, around here. I think right there looks nice. I'm going to go ahead and go to our solid right here and make it into a 3D layer. Go to our mask and increase our feather. To run right there. Then we're going to go ahead and actually open up our transform settings. Then we'll go to the beginning of our layer. And you just want to mess around with your settings. So I'm going to use our X rotation. I actually don't like how it's just moving way too much. So I'm actually going to get rid of our rotation effect right there. I'm going to go ahead and reset it. I'm actually going to bring this down a bit. Then I'm just going to go ahead and mess with our Y rotation right there. Once after adding all of our stars or shapes, I'm going to go ahead and make a new adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add noise. Drag a noise. You turn off use color noise and put our noise amount at 25. Go over here and we're going to go ahead and add CC threshold. Drag it in. And we're going to increase the threshold maybe just a bit right here. Right there looks really nice. And we're going to increase our blend right here to 100. Open up our keyframes by pressing E then you on your keyboard. Heading to the end. Put it at 0. Highlight our keyframes. Press F9 to ease it. Drag it back. You can see right here how it starts giving us a nice transition into our nice and simple color effect. into a grunge effect right here. And yeah, that is how you create this grunge split screen effect for your next edit or music video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video or just learned something new. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or just go ahead and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. Peace out.